Hello and welcome to Zimstick Media. A Zimbabwean entrepreneur Vimbai Masiwa has been selected for the Young Global Leaders class of 2026, joining a network of leaders working to drive a public-private cooperation for global good. Masiwa announced the news on social media, saying she was honored to be named as part of the Young Global Leaders class of 2026. She described the YGL community as a global network of intentional leaders who drive a public-private cooperation for global good. To be recognized alongside such a dynamic group of people, all shaping the future in different ways, feels incredibly special. Together we'll move the world forward, she posted. Vimbai Masiwa is co-founder and CEO of Batoka Africa, Africa's first black female-owned safari lodge group. The company operates a portfolio of luxury safari properties in Zimbabwe with a model grounded in conservation, sustainability and community empowerment. Masiwa is also recognized for advancing gender inclusion in leadership and building an African-owned hospitality brand that competes globally while prioritizing local impact. In 2024, she was named to the Forbes 30 Under 30 Africa list for her work in travel and social enterprise. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.